Xbox Game Pass in 2025 feels less like a service and more like a golden ticket to gaming's best playgrounds. For one monthly price, you're not just sampling games, you're diving into complete worlds. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest gaming news, the big name titles, and indie gems. Xbox is the best value in gaming, hands down. But with so much to choose from, where should you start? Begin with the unforgettable Psychonauts 2. This genre-blending platformer blends razor-sharp writing, surreal worlds, and real emotional depth. It's heartfelt, hilarious, and entirely unique, and it's just as good as everyone says. Then there's Rainbow Six Siege, a tactical shooter where every decision counts. It's less run and gun and more chess with bullets. Perfect for players who love tension, precision, and outsmarting their opponents. Feel like escaping civilization? Sea of Thieves lets you live the pirate fantasy solo or with friends, sailing into storms, treasure hunts, or chaotic sea battles. With years of content updates, it's now one of the richest sandbox experiences around. But the crown jewel this year might be Hollow Knight Silksong. After years of anticipation, it delivers a hauntingly beautiful, brutally challenging Metroidvania with some of the best boss fights ever designed. It's worth the wait and the hype. And Forza Horizon 5 is still the king of open world racers. Gorgeous, smooth, and packed with content. It's as fun to cruise as it is to compete. From heartfelt stories to high-octane thrills, Game Pass in 2025 offers something for everyone. The only hard part? Figuring out what to play first. So, have you decided which one you're choosing? Tell us in the comments, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.